Hi wonderful kids, this is your teacher Naina. I'm back with another session, that is how to set and achieve the goals. So do you have any goals in your life? Do you? Then it's really good. So this is the introduction, and in this session we're gonna cover all these methods. Like the first one is the variety models for activating skill and the will. The next one is SMRT Mnemonic. The next one is 10 common ways to achieve your goals. And the next one is understanding the necessary undertaking and appreciating the potential outcome. So, which is really important, right? Yes. And goals that are properly set. And goals glowing and growing. We should have a goal in our life. So, are you ready? Alright, let's go and discuss all these things today. So look at the goals. So what is a goal? The goal means grow what matters one step at a time. Little by little, your steps will add up. So you're almost there. Okay, try hard, you can achieve your goal. And over here, so what is a goal? What do you think? When it comes to the goal, what do you think? So what is a goal? Goal means it's an objective, okay? It's an objective and which will help to create your dream life. So we will have short-term goal and long-term goal in our life. Short-term goal means what we want to do in a short-term period, and long-term goal means what we want to do and achieve in our whole life. So we can set the short-term goals and the long-term goals as well. So there is a beautiful quote. If the plan doesn't work, what you will do? Change the plan but not your goal. And please try hard and work for it. I'm pretty sure that you will attain one day. And the goal setting process can be a little bit difficult at some times. But believe in yourself, you can do it. And I believe in you. So believe yourself, you can do it. So when it comes to the goal setting, these two questions will arise in our mind, right? The first one is, what should my goals be? That is a big question. So we have to recognize it. And how should I achieve them? That is another question. So first time, you have to figure out what is my goal. And the second thing, like how can I achieve it? So these are the two relevant questions when it comes to the goal setting. And if you can dream it, you can do it, right? Yes. All right. So these are the variety models for achieving skill and the will. So the first one is a forethought, and the second one is a performance, and the third one is a self-reflection. So the forethought. So what is a forethought? Forethought is where students set goals that are. So the first one, achievable in short term. Second one, challenging but attainable academic goals. So these are the two goals comes under the forethought. Like they are the examples for the forethought. And over here, so the performance. The performance can be divided into two categories, like according to the attaining manner. The first one is scheduling time management. And the second one is using mnemonics. These are the two techniques comes under the performance. And self-reflection, which is really important in your personal life and as well as your social life, not only for the setting and achieving the goals. So what is a self-reflection? Self-reflection means it shows you if you are heading into the profession or not. And the next one, self-reflection is a key important life in order to succeed something in your life. So we have to think and reflect yourself sometime. So am I able to do this one? So what are my qualities? What are my weak points? And how can I improve it? And over here, SMRT Mnemonic. So which means the specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely. So your goal should be like this. It should be specific, it should be measurable and achievable and should be realistic. And it should be timely because you have to attain it in a certain period of time. So these are the SMRT mnemonic. So check your goal whether it's having all these key points. So the 10 common ways to achieve your goal. The first one, make step-by-step plan. So for everything, you need a proper plan. So second one, motivate yourself by focusing on someone who has achieved a similar goal. We have plenty of examples around us, right? We have a lot of popular personalities and models. So take one of them as your role model according to the nature of the goal and let's do it. So third one, tell other people about your goal. And fourth one, think about the bad things that will happen if you do not achieve your goal. So apart from the positive sides, we have to figure out what are the negative impacts, like negative outcomes will happen if you won't attain it. You have to think about it, then you won't be depressed, even if you can't attain it. And over here, the fifth one, think about the good things that will happen if you achieve your goals. So you will be happy and motivated, right? Yes. So the sixth one, try to suppress unhelpful or negative thoughts about your goal and how to achieve it. So if it is not necessary, if it is not helpful, just try to avoid it. It will help by talking to other people. Share your thoughts with them so you can reduce the negative thoughts. And the seventh one, reward yourself for making progress in your goal. Sometimes we can say that you did a good job. Nana, you did a good job because you did it. You can reinforce yourself, you can motivate yourself and reward yourself sometimes. And eighth one, record your progress. So you have to record where we are standing now and what was the beginning and what we want to do in the future. So always record yourself and record your progress. And ninth one, rely on willpower. You got this. And the 10th one, fantasize or visualize how great our life will be when your goals to be achieved. So you gotta think and visualize about the future when you attain this goal. And over here, the understanding the necessary of undertaking and appreciating the potential outcome. So the first one, goals must be stated and potential outcome. So when we can achieve at our level and according to our ability, right? Yes. So appreciate on the results based on goals we achieved. So we always to be thankful and appreciate yourself. So goals that are properly set. How we can understand like about the goals if it is properly set or not. So if it is set achieving more with focus, it's a properly set goal. And starting to set personal goals, achieving lifetime goals and staying on course and achieving goals. So if your goal is having 4 natures, then it's a properly set goal. And over here. So achieving with more and more focus. The technique we tend to use by setting sharp and clearly defined goals and used to achieve the long-term goals in a short-term motivation. So starting to set personal goals and achieve lifetime goals. That should be your goal. And got competence? What do you think? Should have. So we need to see the goals as realistic and achievable, which may require altering students' perception on their abilities. So we should be aware of our abilities, then we can set and attain the goal according to the realistic nature and according to your abilities. So the conclusion, plan accordingly and achieve your goal. Tracking down our goals either achieved or not achieved, you should be careful. So that was the session and thank you everyone. I hope you had fun and you understood about these goals and well done for today. So if you like the session, please like, comment and share and thank you.